Hey everyone, we've got some really interesting things happening here at Wat Tung Yu in Chiang Mai. I'd like to tell you all about it. So I've been teaching at this temple since 2018. It's been 6 years now that I've been teaching here. And about 2.5 years ago, the abbot of the temple offered this classroom to me to be able to host classes and share the teachings of the Buddha with the international audience. I've been teaching countless students coming through here to the classroom. And they've been learning and growing and developing and understanding the teachings of the Buddha. And now we're at a point where this classroom has really not been well taken care of because this building has been here for over 50 years. And when we moved into the building, it wasn't really well taken care of at that point because it's just gotten old and it's impermanent. So now that we have all this support from various people all over the world, there's been some students who have offered some financial support to be able to refurbish the classroom. And now we've started a project where we're going to completely refurbish the entire classroom. And I'd like to show you around so you can see the before, and then you can ultimately see the after. And if you'd like to support what we're doing here, I'll share some information for that so that you can actually get involved and help us and support us with the things that we're doing here. So we're about to enter the classroom, and this is where I've been teaching for the last 2.5 years. This morning, all the students came together and helped me to empty it out and take all the supplies upstairs because I'm going to be teaching upstairs in a similar classroom for the next 1 month while they refurbish this. But I'd like to show you around so you can see the condition of the room now, and then you can see it afterwards. So come on in. A temple environment is essentially a community center. It is like the womb of a woman. The womb of a woman is the very best place for an individual to grow and develop into a better and better human being. And a temple serves as the same thing. All throughout Thailand, for the last several hundred years, they've been creating a network of temples. These are essentially community centers that are supported by the people. And now, if someone would be interested in getting help for their career or their personal life, they can go into a self-help environment where they can learn from monks, they can learn from teachers like me, and you can find somebody that's going to help you in your day-to-day life by helping you to learn and grow and develop. It's like entering into the womb of a woman, which is the perfect environment to learn and grow and develop. So some people enter into this temple environment on a daily basis, and some people, of course, live here. So being in a temple is like entering into the womb of a woman where you can learn and grow and develop into a better and better human being. And this womb is created by all of us supporting the teachings and the sharing of the teachings. It allows individuals to have this womb available to them and then to be able to enter and exit out of it as they need to. So this land that we're on at one time was owned by a Thai person. This temple's been here for over 500 years. And at some point, a Thai person felt that, wow, these teachings have been really beneficial and really helpful for me. So I'm going to donate my land and make it available so other people can come and learn. And over the last several hundred years, this temple has been supported to the point where now it's got multiple buildings. In this particular building, it used to serve as the headquarters for all the monks in all of Chiang Mai. And it doesn't any longer, and it's been kind of run down. If you see on the top of the building, it says in Thai that this is the headquarters for all the monks in Chiang Mai. And this building was developed in 1972. And I suspect that it hasn't actually been touched since that time. As you're going to see, it's kind of in a bit of a disrepair. But we're going to make a complete transformation to this. And if you're interested in getting involved, you're more than welcome. So since we've been in this classroom, we've already done some things to upgrade it. There's been students who provided a projector so that we're able to share visual aids as we're learning. There's been students who have provided sound equipment, so we have speaker system and audio. We have fans. We even added air conditioning. We have 3 different air conditioners here. And all of these things have been provided by the support of the students that helps us to be able to then help the students. So as we're here and we're making decisions about what to do here, of course, we're going to be able to benefit from that while we're here, but we're also thinking about the future generations, that whatever we do here and however we take care of this building, it's not only going to be available to us, but it's going to be available to future generations. So by us upgrading this classroom, it's like investing in the future. What we're going to be doing is completely revamping this entire classroom. And the next time you see a video from me, you're going to see the completely new revamped classroom. Anybody who's contributed to this already, I would like to say thank you so much for your support. And since students have been asking me how to get involved, I'll share some links to be able to help you to see how to get involved. So thank you so much for investing in the future of the world by sharing the teachings of the Buddha and making them available for others through supporting this classroom and this temple. So thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next video. Sawadee krap.